When the Satpurush is so strong about something, you only have one in a lifetime chance to try and make Swami Raji. But then on Swagat day, when the curtain dropped, you see Swami's eyes, you realize how much of a personal project Robin's Akshardham is for Swami. I haven't done as much Samarpan as all these people over here for like 1.5 years. Forget everything else. Swami no sankalp chele badi jo. But none of the other team members feel burdened when I ask them for help, but they're always happy to come and help me. Everybody's been teaching me, so the main thing is just putting myself into a situation which I've never ever been in and not trying to get daunted or scared, but rather just trying to go for it and see what I can achieve with what I have around me. I don't think you can sum up the experience in one word, but whatever it is, it's a good feeling. With your own hands, you're going to be helping create that sankalp and bring it to life. So you sort of feel blessed. I'll look at the lights again and think that we put it up. But it's not, I don't think I'll go back remembering that I put lights together. It's more the bhavana and making him Raji. That's what you're going to go back with. Our skills and everything is just, I put a light together. Everyone's put lights. There's lights everywhere. But to be part of Swami's sankalp, that's the feeling you'll go back with. And not whether I put a light up or not, but Swami ne Raji kariya.